A dream home isn't just a shelter. It's a place that makes certain that its residents live a happy, healthy, and a peaceful life. Home is where imaginations and hopes are built. Owning a home is a dream of many in this chaotic city. And we make sure their home is planned to bring in happiness and positivity. We at the Wadhwa Group build homes based on our unique design philosophy, Ventilate, to keep our customers blessed by Mother Nature. And this is what truly differentiates us. Knowing that little things make a big difference, we understand the worth of natural light, height, and fresh air in every home. Hence, an in-depth study is done before commencing the construction of every project, be it a value home or a high-end luxury residence, ensuring optimum sunlight and fresh air to come in and create a healthy living environment for each and everyone in the family. The Ventilate philosophy is not restricted to mere living room and bedrooms. Even the windows of the bathrooms are planned to access fresh air, and the shafts are planned with adequate access space for maintenance, keeping in mind safety and well-being of the residents. We create textured design on building facades casted in concrete, which not only gives it a stunning look but also is long-lasting, low-maintenance, and is a better resistance to fire than any other artificial cladding. Our expert team of architects design ventilated staircases facing outwards with large windows to prevent accumulation of smoke during fire emergencies, and wide steps to minimize the risk of any mishap during such an emergency. We provide meaningful amenities to our residents. Our thoughtfully planned amenities emphasizes on creating a healthy and sustainable living environment for each one, right from toddlers to youth and even senior citizens, ensuring their physical as well as mental well-being. Our car-free podiums allow ample space for kids and the elderly to move around freely. We aim to enable our residents with all the luxuries of the modern world, yet keep them connected to nature. And that's how we create a unique living experience for our customers.